Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will implement Waku communications to our decentralized application. So before going into the implementation part, let's understand through the official website of the Waku what they are trying to do. So Waku is a uncompromised Web3 communications at scale. So they are offering a family of robust censorship-resistant communication protocol designed to enable privacy-focused messaging for Web3 apps. So in a very crisp, what they are trying to do is they are trying to build a communication system into three ways. So like from one source to n sources, from one source to another source means peer-to-peer, and from n sources to one source. So chatting is peer-to-peer. Notification is kind of one sources to n sources. So they are trying to build a communication thing for the decentralized application. So if we wanted to implement it into our application, it's very easy to implement. Let's directly click this learn more app and we will see the documentation. So if I click on the JavaScript Waku SDK and choose this send and receive messages using light push and filters. So this is the code. So it involves 3 and 4 steps to send and receive messages. So they have 3 things especially in the whole protocol. One is filter, one is send, and one is store. So they have some separate functionality, but let's directly go through it. So to implement send and receive messages, first step is creating a light node. So this is the code through which you can create the node. And second step is connecting the remote pair. So this is the code you can connect with the remote pair. And third step is content topic. So this is the mandatory step. This is the actual important step through which communication is actually works. So content topic is just like a socket thing where publisher and subscriber communicates. So basically this behaves like a place from where all the messages is basically exchanged. So the content topic, whosoever have the access to this content topic, he can send it and he can receive it. So third step is creating a unique content topic through which you wanted to connect the users. So it involves some encoding step. This is the step of creating a message. So you have to define first the structure of the message, and then you have to send a message through this code, and then this is the code to receive the message, and that's it. Congratulations. So what 4 steps involve implementing this? First step is creating a node. Second step is connecting the node, connecting with the pairs, creating content topic, and sending message and receiving message. So 3 and 4 steps are here to implement this. So before going deep into the coding part, let's understand how this demo works. So I have created this application. So this is my Brave browser and this is my Chrome browser. This behaves as a second user and this behaves as a first user. So let me write something and let's see how this chat is actually works. Hi, I like your content. How to subscribe your channel. Once I click send, I will see the message coming from this second user. So this is user. Now suppose this is me. I'm replying, yeah, thanks. You can directly hit the subscribe button below the video. Let me send. So once I send, it is coming here. So this is the demo, like how the chat is developed using Waku protocol. Let's go directly to the Visual Studio Code to understand how code is implemented. So this is the repository where I manage all the code. So the first code is for Waku setup. Let's open it, and second go to the sources and then app.js. So in the app.js, what I did is, you could see this is the component where I have written all the code for the Waku chat and UI part and everything. And these are two imports from the Waku. So one is light node provider and second is protocols. So you could see here, I have wrapped the component with light node provider and passed the some options like protocol. I've already discussed before, Waku has three kind of protocols. One is store, second is filter, and third is light push. So I have passed everything. Actually, we are not using store here, just using filter and light push, but let's pass it here. And this is the content pair provider, and which passes the content topic, a unique content topic. So if you have kind of application where multiple chats are enabled, so you have to make this content topic unique. So for now, let's use 4433, whatever it is. So it creates unique content topic, means kind of unique chat rooms. So let's go to the Waku chat component. So here we can see current user. So what I'm passing here is for identifier, I am passing the current user. So basically from the MetaMask. So MetaMask user is passed over here. So let's go to the Waku chat. In the Waku chat, I have imported few Waku components here. And second, these are some local states. This state is to input value, means whatever we type as a message. And second, this is all chats, all the messages, and the state for the all the messages. And this is a state to manage whether the node is started or not. You could see if I reload this, the first it becomes red because you can't send message because node is not started yet. So once it turns blue, at that condition, chat is started and node is connected. So this is used as a flag. And these are like node imported from Waku, and this is decoder encoder, and this is store messages from where we are communicating and receiving the messages. And these are the messages, and this is the push message to send messages. And this is some kind of configuration to understand who is the second user, so that we can establish the communication. You could understand it once you go through the code. And this is the structure of the chat message. So you could see I have enabled as a timestamp from like which guy is sending the message to whom the message should be sent, and the message value, like what is the message. And this is a use effect to basically it is showing. So whenever node is changing, if it is on, then let's make that flag to be true. And second, this is a use effect for to fetch the new messages. So every time a new message comes in, the store messages is actually changed. So once it is changed, I'm just setting up into the set all chats state. And then this is a decoder message. So basically this is the way we can decode the message just by using the function decode. And this is another function called send message. So this actually works, this actually hit when we click the button send, and this send messages, which is internal message, and we send the message using that chat structure using push method. And if I go to the UI part, so this is the UI. I've implemented all chats.map, and all the messages are rendering over here. So if this is current user, then show to the right side, and if it is not current user, then show to the left side. Just a basic CSS. So this is the code. So you could see what I did. If I explain the flow, so basic what I did is just started the node, waiting for start node to be started. This place node to be started. Once the node is connected, then I'm sending messages, and once message sent, we are retrieving the message, and all the retrieving is messaging is going through this place. So 3 steps: starting the node, establishing a content topic, sending messages, and retrieving messages, and rendering to the UI. So I'm explaining the flow again. Just import of the Waku messages, Waku methods, and second step wrapping it up as a provider, and then passing the content topic, going to the component, starting the node, sending messages and receiving the messages, and then rendering it to the UI. This is the most simplest Waku implementation. I would really like and really love if you could improve it and build something on top of it, and write it down your doubts into the comment section so that I could resolve it and I can make a better video series on Waku also. So this is all about the Waku implementation. See you in the next video, and thanks for the watching my videos. Thank you.